What is up, guys? It is Christmas Day. It is a day to be thankful. It is coming near the end of the day. It is about 4:41. Well, it is 4:41 p.m. And I told one of you guys in the comments that I'd make a video today about the valve covers. So here's that video real quick and just how to take off the covers off of the Alpha. Here that is. One of y'all asked how to take off this cover, so it's super simple. I mean, I just literally can take anything, whether it's a flathead or a knife or anything. It's literally just like that. And then if you look in here, you'll see that there's just a bolt. So now that you see that there's just a bolt, literally just throw your 10mm socket on it. Now that that's kind of, I usually just finger undo it because it's a lot faster than having to deal with this. Obviously, if you have an extension, it's a lot easier. Okay, it's free, put that back on there, and just do the other side. Again, it's broken free. Okay, I think that's pretty good. Now, pulling out the knife, just to show you, all you have to do is just, this side still needs a little bit more. There we go. Now that you see that, all you have to do is literally just, and it just pops. There you have your whole valve cover top uncovered. So then if you want to undo your spark plugs, it's just pull out, unplug that, you know, you pop that up and pops out, and then you're able to see access to everything. Look at that tiny little turbo, that's so tiny. Oh, a little pet. Okay, now let's put the cover back on. What I do it is I line up those holes with those bolts. It's not too hard to do. Once you've done it once, it's pretty simple. Once you have that, what I do is I usually obviously just thread it. Okay, that one's on. Let's just throw that puppy on in. And then, boom. Next thing, you got this little click, little click, boom. There you have it. Now that you guys have seen that, basically we can just start the rest of today. So today has been very good. It's been very fun. It's been very exciting. I know you guys are probably curious why I've been like filming the same day that I have been actually posting, and why it's actually kicked me to be late on 2 of the days, unfortunately. And that's not my intent whatsoever. It's just that, you know, life gets away from us, and I'm not starting to edit until 10 p.m. and then it's just midnight. So anyways, the point is that everything has been going pretty good. I had a really fun day today. Today we actually were able to go to my parents' house. I brought Raven. Raven was so happy to be back there because we moved back the trailer to my old house, so that was really nice to be able to get that done yesterday. And then went to Christmas service, hung out with Robert, and just really had a good day. And then after ending that whole good day, went home, moved the TV off my bed because I had to move, and then slept, woke up, and waking up with a quietness is so different than not. And when I say this, it's from the aspect that there is so much like that you guys can do to be like better as people. There's so much that I can myself, and I'm not saying that like to not include myself. I know like one of the biggest things with me is whether or not like I'm a safe driver and stuff. And you know, in this season, I've like, people keep saying on commenting like, you know, be safe, and like I get you guys. I'm such a safe driver. I mean, yeah, I'm filming while I'm driving, but I'll show you guys here in a second that I literally have proof that I am like one of the safest drivers that you guys like will ever meet. Like, because like with this whole mindset and everything, and especially just with today, it's just like a different mindset, you know? And like, I'm not speeding, and I guess my want to prove to you is that I'm the safest driver, because I got a safe right there. This safe is legit. So, I don't know. My dad's like, you totally have to make that a joke in today's vlog. So, Dad, this is for you. I'm making that joke in today's vlog for you. So, yeah, I don't know. Right now, we are just gonna just go back home, drop everything off, and oh, we have to bring Raven too, so I need to somehow get that all to work. But yeah, today's been really good. Hung out with the whole family and everything, and so it was really nice to be able to spend time with my aunts and uncles and cousins that I haven't seen in a while. It's been a while, so that's been really nice to be able to do that, and then just kind of go throughout the whole day. There's not really been too much that's really been a headache or anything. It was really nice. Robert, you guys all know Robert, the guy burned his hair. Anyways, Robert came and he joined me at my parents' house last night, and we hung out there and was able to spend Christmas Eve with us. Long story short, he went through a similar breakup, which has not been too fun for him. And then going from that to now, he came to my grandma's house, and we all were able to spend a really nice Christmas together. And so just being able to have like this time to be able to help others, even though I'm not in the best of positions myself, it's like, this is where I turned wrong. This is how I could have been better. Learn from me. And yeah, so yeah, it's actually pretty crazy. We actually both got broken up with for almost identical reasons. At the very root, almost identical reasons. And so, I don't know. Both get broken up for the same thing, same time frame, same phase, and like there's a good way to handle it and there's a bad way to handle it, and I'm not gonna say either one of us. Hold on real quick on that thought. Look at how pretty it is. It's so beautiful out. Like, that is so gorgeous. Christmas Day, and it's beautiful out. I mean, what more can you ask for? So anyways, we've been doing really good, and you know, it was really good to be able to show him both the ways and which ways that I've chosen, and just kind of help him reflect on which ways that he has chosen, and just basically figure it out and be able to go from there. So that's been really nice. Yeah. Oh, I know what we want to do. It's Christmas Day. I think Raven and Rocky both would love to go on a nice Christmas bike ride. So we're gonna take out the old bike and we're gonna go for a little bike ride, because I have not pulled out that bad baby in a long time, and so it'll be really nice to pull out the old BMX and just do a little quick lap. Somehow we need to get the BMX without just completely scratching the whole car. Oh, oh. Come on. Come on. Oh, oh, come on. Yeah. Oh. 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 Woo! I'm not sure I did that. Oh, because you guys are all spoiled now, those are the seats. They came in yesterday. Those things look rad. Look at that. Those things, when those are in, that's gonna be that's a sweet setup. Okay. Okay, now we're going to go get the doggos. Look at those seats. Those things are rad. Tell me if you guys like this FPV version, by the way, because I kind of like it. We need the leashes. I don't know which way, if you guys can see everything, but let's just hope you can. Oh. Okay. We don't lose anything. I guess I don't really need my phone. $4.50. Okay. Are those my kids? Oh, whoa. Jump down. Get down. Get down. Sit. Whoever sits gets to go. Whoever sits gets to go. Sit. Sit. Oh my gosh, I know. You guys are like, I've never been on a bike ride before. Hold on. Hold on. We need to go with the other garage. Come on. This way. Okay, let's go on a bike ride. I've never taken 2 dogs on a bike ride. Rocky knows biking etiquette. Raven doesn't. Raven knows motorcycle etiquette, but that's off leash. So let us hope for the best. Hold on, hold on. We're going on a bike. Oh, this is nice. I don't even have to bike. They're just going. Okay. Hey, other way. Mind me. Come on. Wrong side. Watch yourself. Raven, you're trying to go in front. Rocky's getting too old for this. Okay, now we're doing good. Now we both realize that we're on a bike ride. Raven's like, let's go. Rocky's like, hold on, I'm getting old. Good girl, Raven. Good boy, Rocky. I'm sorry, dude. It looks like you're limping. It's such a beautiful day out. Wow. Hi, Raven. Hi, Rocky. How's it going? Pretty good. Merry Christmas. Come on. Come on, kiddos. We're still going straight. Raven's like having time to stop, and Rocky's like, hold on, dude, I'm trying to keep up. Oh, that's cute. Leave it. Leave it. Leave it. You're all good. Hey, you're all good. Don't worry about it. Come on, kiddos, you're good. No, don't worry about it. My dogs are friendly. Hey. It's okay, boy. Just leave it.
Come on. Christmas going for you.
Oh, it's a pretty good day.
Good. Yeah, it's beautiful.
Oh yeah, I know. I was like, I need to go out for a little bike ride.
Yeah, that sounds good. She likes to bike. She'll go after anything if we'll go running with her. Stormy.
You're okay.
Are these 2 girls?
Male and female. Yeah. What about you?
Well, this one is actually mine, and we're babysitting the other ones. And this is Stormy, and she's like a 2-year-old girl. She's an English pointer.
That's awesome. Alrighty.
That was your right.
You too. Come on, kiddos.
Come on, Stormy.
Come on. Let's go, kiddos. Good boy. Good girl. See? We're okay. Oh, Rocky, am I going too fast for you? Let me go a little slower, dude. Well, I wanted to look at the Christmas lights, guys. So this is me looking at the Christmas lights. Raven, you got your leash tangled. Look at how cute that is. Even has Santa and his little reindeer. Oh, I turned down a cul-de-sac. Obviously, I don't know these streets very well. How's it going? Good, how's it going? Merry Christmas to you. Yeah, Merry Christmas to you guys. It's beautiful outside.
It is, dude, huh?
Yeah, that thing's sweet. Oh, look at that. You didn't even have minions. You know what I'm just realizing is I totally just left my phone, wallet, keys, everything at home. All I have is the dogs. And I don't care. Oh, it even has a little polar bear. Oh, Raven. Rocky, come here and I'll give you a high five. Oh, Raven just wants more attention. Okay. Wow, look at that house over there. That thing's insane. You know what's crazy is we live in such a populated area. People feel alone all over. And literally, if you just go on a little bike ride, you meet so many people. Ah, that was long. Sweet, yeah. So, I mean, that's pretty much it for today's video, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. Please make sure to hit that subscribe button because I've been daily for over 8 months. Yeah. All right, guys. Remember, guys, don't let the past define you, but instead let it influence you. All right, guys, nothing left to say. I'll see you guys tomorrow on the next one. I guess it's time to end it.
Too many thoughts on my mind, I can't sleep at night, so I just keep writing. I
don't need no help, I don't need opinions, so don't waste my time then. I just been living online, my city don't show me no loving, that's fine. Fuck local radio stations, I got more plays than all of these rappers combined. I'm going again, I've been going in, I'm fed up with so many things, I gotta just let it all out. I'm talking about the shit they've been talking about, telling me